Happy birthday.
Thank you.
And how old are you this time?
I'm 94.
Now, I understand on your birthday that your brother gives you a call. Do you want to tell me a bit more about that?
Oh, he sends me a card, I should say. We each send each other a card which has something to do with the age. And it dates back to a famous story when Ramanujan, who was this Indian prodigy, who was in hospital, and G.H. Hardy, who was his collaborator, went to visit him in hospital. And he had noticed the number on the taxi, which I can't remember, unfortunately. But he said this number, 5738 or whatever it was, is a particularly boring number, he said. And Ramanujan said, sort of perking up in his hospital bed, said, it's not a boring number. It's a very interesting number. It's the smallest number, which is the sum of two cube numbers in two different ways. So when I reached the age of 50, my brother Oliver sent me a card congratulating me on reaching this amazing age of 50, which is the smallest number, which is the sum of two squares in two different ways. 25 plus 25 and 49 plus 1. So ever since then, we have to think of something special about the person's age. And then we say, this is the most amazing age you've reached because it's the smallest or the biggest or something or other with a certain property. And the older we get, the harder and harder it is to find a particular feature that this age happens to have. So I have no idea what Oliver will do to celebrate my 94th birthday.
And how old is Oliver?
He is 96. He has the harder job than I do because I have the first go at each number and he has to see what dregs I've left behind. Do I have to pretend to be 90, what am I? I've lost track.
94.
94.
You
You do have to pretend, yes.
I have to pretend to be 94.
Yes.
Well, I don't know what I'll be like when I'm 94. Might have gone down seriously by then.